Here's what I did with my pantry remodel to maximize my space and make it flow with the rest of the kitchen. I took out the bottom shelves and replaced them with cabinets and drawers for extra storage. We added counters and also a backsplash. We got this fun cereal dispenser off of Amazon. It's great if you have kids. I've been saving these glass jars for a while now and decided to display my foods, my pastas, my rice, my flours, and my sugars in them. I displayed my serveware on the top shelf, picked out these really cool labels from Amazon. I found these baskets on sale and thought they'd look great to store away most of my items. Love Lazy Susans for pantries. I've had this can organizer and these clear containers for a while and put them to use, and finished everything off with styling this little vignette in the corner.
Another one.